We are all
Yes.
very new. We'll start from the scratch, everyone. Please confirm, please, everyone, please. We'll slowly
Yes.
start now. Yes. Others,
Yes,
please
sir.
confirm, please. We start from the scratch, okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Well, we understand from the scratch. We understand from the basics carefully.
Yes.
Please mute your mic, Lakshman, please. Thank you. Others, please mute your mics. We'll learn slowly, step by step. So we have three major job roles: data engineer. You see here, data engineer, data analyst, database administrator. There are three different prominent job roles. You choose any of them. Some background sound from one of the mic are casing, so I muted that. Please make sure, friends, there are no deviations for us. It's our learning process. I need to keep in mind our resume or project and Injamam. Please check your mic, sir. Please mute your mic, please. Let's get started slowly from scratch. I assume we are all very new to database. Let's start from the scratch carefully. Let's get into the basic fundamentals of database. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. I assure you practical classes from scratch, right from the basics. But need your support. Come on, please, everyone. How many hours you can practice per day? My classes will be completely into technical part, practical items from tomorrow. That part I'll promise you. Now you tell me. You promise me, please. How many hours you can practice per day? Minimum. Minimum, how many hours you can practice? Minimum 1 hour, please. Please, everyone, please.
We can do that. Thanks.
Yes.
Yes.
We can do
Others,
that.
please. Shekhar, Lakshman.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Others, please.
Yes.
Yes.
Venki, yes. Roshini, yes. Others, please. I'll wait.
Yes, yes, we can practice.
Yeah, Sai, Karthik, yes. Others, please. I'll wait.
Yes, we can do that.
Surely, sir. Surely. Thank you. Attendees have been responsive. Now, a small information before we start. Participants who respond more in my classes will get more and more. I want interactive participants. See, you will be cautious in choosing your trainer, right? I need to be equally cautious in choosing my participants. Respond more, interact more, we get more and more, really. And write your observation notes. I'll provide you the complete class notes in advance. Take print copy. Take print copy of the notes. My kind request, but still good to write your own observation notes also, so that we stay tuned in the class. And also give your observation notes on email after the class on WhatsApp. For example, just wait, friends. Just wait. Someone said, wait. Friends, attendees who join bit late. Okay, here we go. Just in case your mics may be on mute, give me some time. Okay, we'll do it slowly. Let's wait, friends. Let's wait. Let's observe carefully. Okay, please wait. Let's see. Just give me one moment time, friends. I need to make sure we're having correct participants. Need your support. We'll do it slowly. Please wait. Let's see. Yes, I could see attendees join bit late. Abdul, Amit, I think attendees will join bit late. I need to unmute you manually. Okay, by default will be unmute. I have to unmute manually. We need to understand the facts. Let's go slowly, step by step. Yes, Vinod, Umesh, who joined bit late, kindly check your mics, please. We'll go
Yes,
slowly,
sir, I
step
can
by
hear
step.
you. Yeah,
Thank
Abdul
you, sir.
Munir here.
Thank you, sir. Perfect, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Let's get started slowly now. Just wait. 1 minute. Someone, there should not be any deviation for us, right? I'll do. Let's continue. Here we go. Let's continue, friends. So here it is, our requirement. Yes, please. My kind request, okay? Please, friends, let's make it clear and straight. I am here to provide you. I'm here to provide you complete practical approach to the classes. Need your support, okay? Please give your observation notes on WhatsApp. For example, I'll show you, friends, a small example like this, friends. See here, like this. This kind of observation notes. It works. I'll provide you the printable notes. Take print copy of the notes before the class 1 week in advance. I mean, every Friday you get the class notes and next week print notes. Every Friday you get the print notes for the next week. Okay. Take print copies of the notes concept wise. The same line we are going to follow. I want you to do your best. It's our course. So the Word documents will be given. Black and white prints are okay, no problem. And it contains every information I speak. That would be your standard reference points for your classes. But what I need from you? Assignment answers. Every day, there will be assignments. Every day, friends. From today, every day, throughout the course. If you can do the assignments either on time or before the next class, okay? Please, it works. It works. Hope you can hear me. Hope you can understand my concern. Please, everyone, please. Yes, I'll wait.
Yes.
Please, everyone. Yeah,
Yes.
perfect.
Yes.
Others, please. Yes, everyone, please. We'll start our session now. Please,
Yes,
everyone.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
yes.
Thank you. And today, we'll be having a small class today on database
And
introduction.
I said,
Then we'll understand our job roles. Then there will be small set of questions, friends, everyone. Attendees who answer the questions will be into the class from tomorrow. See, you need to filter your trainer. I need to filter my participants so that the course goes in a nice way. We need it. Please help me. Let's help each other. Okay. Let's filter each other. Let's interview each other. I need it. Let's get started now. Please. And non-technical, we'll take it after the class. Let's get started now. Database, a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. Now we should get a question immediately. Press some background sound, I'll mute that mic. We should get a question immediately. Sai, why don't we store data in a PDF file? Why don't we store data in Excel file? Why we are going for database? Come on, friends, please. Any pointers? Please, please help me. We're all very new. Let's go slowly.
so
Yes.
the data will be if there is any PDF file, if it's anything like can delete it. But if it's in database, we can retrieve the information and stored in a secured manner.
Yes,
So that's
exactly.
so
Security. Correct.
yeah.
I got my keyword. Next, others, please, others, please. I'll wait. Others, please. I'll wait. Others, please. Let me know, please. We have to speak. We have to, please understand. I'll
Easy
be
to
faster.
access.
Exactly. Exactly. Security. Easy to access. Anything else, please? I'll wait.
Nowadays, data is in large numbers.
Exactly. Huge volume of data. Correct. Exactly. Anything else, please? Friends, attendees who are responsive will get the complete notes. Really, see, we have to filter each other. No, it's not like you come and join 199 rupees. It's not like that here. No, no, no. Please, it's our course. Things are, by God's grace, things are slowly getting straight now, right? Lot of things happened in the past during COVID. Now things are nice now. By God's grace, everything getting
Database.
streamlined now. Really, subject first. Content is a king. Please help me. I have to filter the things.
We can
Anything else?
very
Why
quickly
we need
find the
database?
information.
Exactly. Any type of data we can store. Exactly, friends. Now let me continue here. You can ask me, why don't we store data in Excel? Why don't we store data in PDF? Why to store it in database? Yes, here it is. Fully secured, easily organized, unlimited data. One more important item, supports cloud, remote storage. Cloud means remote storage and AI. There are few versions of Excel that supports AI, but database has unconditional AI support now. So all my courses, all our courses includes AI. AI is just like salt and pepper in our kitchen now. We cannot see it as a separate dish. No, it used to be a separate dish in the past, but now things change a lot. It's a part of every tool, every app, every storage environment. And everywhere we need database. Some background sound, friends. I'll mute that mic. Let's observe carefully now. Let's understand two basic types of databases: OLTP, data warehouse. OLTP database to store live data. Remember, like our live interactive class. I want you to make it more interactive, okay? Please. Live online banking, live temperature, live stock market, anything live, OLTP. Data warehouse to store old historical data, inactive data, like old temperature data, old stock market operations, anything old, it is data warehouse, remember. With this information, now let's assume a showroom, okay? A showroom. Showroom is used to do the sales. They only concentrate on sales. But there is also something called godown. They concentrate on storage. Same thing works here. Let's observe carefully. Yes, assume for example an app on my screen now. The birthplace of data. Let's think practically. The birthplace of data, our SQLschool.com website, or your Facebook or Insta app, an IoT device, Internet of Things, IoT device like your mobile or laptop or tablet. Forms. For example, you filled a form and entered the intro class today. Or social feeds, tweets, etc. RSS feeds, etc. Different birthplaces for data. All that data in real world will be captured to OLTP. Friends, what is OLTP? Please, what is
Live transaction
OLTP?
data, live
Live
processing data.
data. Okay.
Yes,
Online transaction
exactly.
processing data.
Online transaction
Transaction processing.
processing
Processing
database.
database.
Okay, OLTP. And here our course is one OLTP product from Microsoft called MS SQL. This is our course. Other companies, we have RK Singh, minor background sound. I'll mute you for some time. Please excuse me. Other companies have other OLTP like MySQL. It used to be a separate company earlier. Couple of years back, it was bought by Oracle. MySQL is now with Oracle. Oracle has its own product called Oracle. Oracle company has own product. Postgres, another product. Amazon, AWS has Amazon Web Services. AWS has RDS. So different companies sell different OLTP database systems. And this is our course. Developers, admins work on OLTP. My classes from tomorrow are into Microsoft SQL. If someone looking for Postgres or Oracle or MySQL, we have separate trainers. Things are entirely different. Okay, we cannot
So the
see them as a same
concept will
trainer.
be sorry, sir. So
And
the concept will be same,
Sai
right?
Karthik will go for questions after some time. Let me
Okay, sir.
complete my statement, sir. Okay, we'll do, sir. We'll do. We'll go for questions definitely. Next, where we are now, MS SQL, Microsoft SQL. But why? What's the difference? My next slides waiting for us before we proceed. ETL. What is ETL? Extract data from left. Extract data from left. Do all kinds of data cleansing activities, data filter activities. Load it cautiously to right. L. This ETL, in olden days, we used to have non-cloud like MSBI, Cognos BI, SAP BW, Oracle BI, OBI, etc. BI, business intelligence. Now cloud, we have Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks, Amazon Glue, Amazon Athena, Snowpark, Data Build Tool. These are all the ETL cloud technologies for various companies. The black box is from Microsoft. The godown, the warehouse, Synapse, Spark, Amazon Redshift, Snowflake, these are all the godowns. So showroom, OLTP, godown, warehouse. The transit in between, ETL. Okay, friends, we are all very new. Let's observe carefully. Data engineer job roles involve this transport system and the godown system. Developers and admins involve the OLTP environment. Microsoft has separate certifications for each of the job roles. Then we have other one. Here, there is something called analytics. What is that? The rightmost side, it is actually analyst. Just wait, okay? I'll quickly modify my image. For some reason, it was wrongly printed. Right side, analyst. Data analyst, we say, right? That's more into reporting. Remember, AI comes everywhere. Now, I repeat once again, we are slowly understanding first item, database. What is database? A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, fully secured, neatly stored in a meaningful format. Different types of databases, OLTP, data warehouse. OLTP is like a showroom, warehouse is like a godown. The line between is the ETL, extract, transform, load. Developers will be involved in designing OLTP databases. Data engineers will be involved in data warehouse databases, and DBAs to manage, monitor databases. Analysts for analysis, reporting activities. From here, to touch the database, to interact with the database. Right from saying hello to database to making the database dance to your tunes, everything we need SQL. Structured query language. Remember, every touch on the database needs SQL. So you, me, our colleagues, everyone needs SQL. To work with this SQL, we need a software that is called DBMS. Remember, a new term for us, DBMS. Database Management System. To build and design databases, we need DBMS. Manage, access, analyze, secure, monitor, troubleshoot, implement AI, we need database management system, DBMS. Different companies have different DBMS in the market. And whatever items I was showing in the previous end-to-end screen, these are all DBMS. Remember, what is that? The database management system, we call it. Okay, these are all DBMS, different companies, different products. We call them as DBMS, database management system. Remember that on my screen now. Then see, remember, left side is DBMS. What about right side? Friends, all these are very important for us. Okay, we need them because every day throughout our course for project work, everywhere we need every keyword here. Yes, on my screen next, there is something called big data. Remember, what is that big data? Where is big data? Let me refresh my screen and just wait. Okay, let me refresh my screen and you will see it now. Here it is. I said data warehouse, right? That is big data. Yes, Snowflake is into big data. Big data means unlimited storage. Terabytes, petabytes, tetrabytes of storage. Unlimited data. Let me show you practically a small example. Remember, OLTP has size limit always. Big data has no size limit, unlimited storage. Remember, let me quickly show you a small example to get more clarity in what we are learning today. Okay, to get some idea. Well, here it is. For this purpose, I'll take you to one of my wizards. I'll take you to a cloud environment called Azure. Remember the term OLTP, data warehouse. Okay, those are the two main database systems because from there we have the job roles. OLTP, there will be a size limit. Data warehouse, there is no size limit. You take Azure Cloud, Postgres, AWS, everywhere, same story. They are similar. Just like our iPhone and Samsung, they are similar. Just like our Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome, they are similar. Just like a Honda car and a Tesla car, they are similar. Internally, lot of feature difference. But overall, overview level, they are similar. Shape is almost similar. Let me show you, friends, on my screen now. You see there, database warehouse. Okay, DW means data warehouse. Observe carefully. Database is into OLTP and data warehouse is into big data. Okay, unlimited size. What does it mean? Let me show you, friends. You go to database, and next here, see here, friends, there is something called configure database. See there, observe carefully. Now, see, there is something called size limit, friends. Something like this. Some size limit. For example, see, basic. There is a size limit, GB. Okay, 2 GB. Same way, for example, premium. We said 4 terabytes limit. I'll show you this one. 4096 GB means 4 terabyte. There is a cap. There is a limit in OLTP. Whereas, if you go for big data, something called Synapse, Redshift, Snowflake, etc. My God, any amount of data we can store. Bit costly. Pay per hour. Nowhere we see that limit on the database size. But I just want to show you the term DW means warehouse. Back. Next. Now, why we go for MS SQL? Why not Oracle? Why not Postgres? Yes, let's understand the advantages of our Microsoft SQL as compared with other DBMS environment. Yes, here you go. When you compare Microsoft SQL with other DBMS in the market, it has own advantages. Hope you did some R&D, groundwork before you plan to join the class today. Yes, there are good amount of advantages. Yes, number one, cheaper, easy to use. Good amount of versions and editions to select from. Wide range of licensing options, from free, lifelong free software to something called data center, the costliest edition, which is cheaper than Oracle, MySQL, and other DBMS products. SQL Server is comparatively cheaper, but has free support, free cloud, and free and paid AI integrations. I repeat, advantage of SQL Server. Cheaper, comparatively cheaper, easier to work with. Free and paid activities for AI, free support. With this information, let's understand now in more detail what is database. I'll take you to my notes now. The first concept notes. You'll be receiving the notes on email, the Word documents. Kindly take print copies of it. For our easy learning, I said 2 databases. Practically, there are 4 database types. Friends, we are learning slowly from scratch. What is database again? A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, fully secured, faster, and neat organized format. There are 4 types of databases. OLTP, to store live real-time data, live temperature. Data warehouse, old historical data, like past temperature data. Assume a live cricket match, OLTP. Past Champions Trophy information, data warehouse. And during the cricket match, we see score predictor, OLAP. Online analytical processing databases, we call OLAP. There are separate products for OLAP in real world. Let me show you here. What is it? I said OLAP. I mean analytical databases. There is something called analytical databases. Here it is, analytics. Analytics, a separate stream altogether, OLAP. What they do? Forecast, score predictor, weather forecast, etc. And HTAP, hybrid, transactional, analytical, processing database means live forecast, just like Google Map. We see expected time of arrival, right? ETA. So live tracking, past navigations, and expected time of arrival. For live predictions, we use STAP. These two are actually one single category. These two are one single category like this. And now our course. It includes 3 prominent job roles: data engineers, data warehouse databases. It's all about cloud computing, ETL, big data. Please bear in mind, please remember in mind my diagram, this one, this particular diagram. So data engineers will be involved in ETL and warehouse activities. Data analysts are into reporting and dashboarding activities. DBAs are into management, development activities. And we have developers as well. Main job role of developers for design of OLTP databases, but that includes 100% coding. Someone loves coding, someone loves programming, they can go for developer. If not, one of these 3. What kind of coding? Say SQL developer job roles. What kind of coding is involved? Let me show you practically on my screen. In our programming classes, we have a nice 2500 lines of code fully solved banking project. The code looks like this. Yes, lengthy procedures. Good amount of business logic implementation. For example, I swipe my card at a billing desk. I get a message. Sorry, your card is not valid anymore. Why? Insufficient funds. Something like that. So those kind of activities we can do using programming. You love coding, you go for programming. Otherwise, other options are waiting for you. Data engineers, big data, cloud computing, data analyst, reporting activities, or DBA, OLTP, warehouse management concepts. Management activity, these are the database doctors, DBAs. Now, choice is yours anyway. We'll talk about the resume options after 5-10 minutes from now. From here, what we do? Yes, to implement these job roles, we have SQL. I said earlier, a few minutes back, to touch a database, we need SQL. A variant of SQL, a type of SQL, structured query language, we have TSQL, Transact SQL. We need to learn SQL first from second half of tomorrow's class. First half of tomorrow, we need to do installations. And then from second half, we need to slowly start our practice. So I'll provide you the download links today. And Windows 8 or higher operating system required. I repeat, Windows 8 or higher operating system required for us. So that we can have happy practice step by step. We can do the practice in an easier way. Okay, next. I repeat again the requirements, Windows 8 or higher. With this content, let me take you back to our installation part. There are various versions of SQL Server. Just like iPhone, you see iPhone 12, 13, 14, 15 like this. releases. Same way, we have various versions of SQL Server. We have 2022 latest version and 2019 previous version. I'll provide the software download links for both. And we have developer evaluation editions like iPhone, we see iPhone Pro, iPhone Max, right? Various flavors. Same way, we have various flavors in our Microsoft SQL or DBMS. We are going to take one developer, one evaluation. There used to be something called Express. Very basic, it won't work for our classes. So we'll be taking developer evaluation. I repeat again, software downloads I'll provide you today on email. We are going to get this installed tomorrow, first 30 minutes. Second half, we have to start our practice slowly, step by step. So please download the software. We'll be sending it on email today. Next, prerequisites, nothing except interest, zeal, and happiness to learn, interest to respond to my questions. Really, please help me. Let's make it interactive. I'll repeat every example. My promise. I'll make sure we'll go for questions and answers after every example. My promise. You practice more, you respond more, you get more and more. There should be a promise from your end as well. You'll be doing your assignments on time. Windows 8 or higher, okay. What if you use Mac? If you're having MacBook, please enable Windows inside Mac. That should work. Material, notes, everything I will take care. And resume related activities will take it one-to-one. Resume related activities will take it one-to-one. Just to recap once again, we're understanding what is database, types of database. For today, please concentrate on first two. I'll show you these two items tomorrow during installation. The components I'll show you. Various job roles. And to work with them, we need DBMS. Main advantage of SQL Server DBMS, user-friendly, cheaper, free support, free cloud. Installations, I will take care. So here we are right now at this place. The starting point before we step forward to the next level. And to work with databases, we need SQL from second half of tomorrow's class. First half, we have to install DBMS. Second half, start SQL inside DBMS. Next, MS SQL, we need to learn SQL first, MS SQL next. Now, what's the difference between Microsoft SQL, Oracle SQL, MySQL, etc.? Branding matters. They are more or less similar, remember. SQL structures are more or less similar. Only the brand, licensing type, cost matters. SQL options are more or less similar. So one SQL is enough. We have various versions, various editions. The yellow items part of our classes. With this content, I'll send you the email now, the complete information, like what we are going to learn in our classes. For that, you'll be submitting a small form. A small form you'll be submitting now. And let us know which option you're opting for, which plan you're opting for. Like, is it database admin, data engineers, or data analysts? Which of these job roles you're opting for, you need to let us know. Then I have to provide you the detailed course content, curriculum for your respective option. I need to do it. And that would be a one-to-one message. So over to you now. We'll start with fundamentals from tomorrow, and we need to learn all the ground level principles, architecture, query tuning procedures, CTs, etc., basement activities, and then continue for either 2 or 3 or 5, whichever you are into. But we need to choose it today itself, because the type of tasks will be different based on our course selection, job role, resume plan. Fundamentals are same, but the task items and all will be different based on our job role. One email sent just now. Kindly check. That email has one form. Please submit the form and let me know which course or which stream you are actually opting for. One email sent just now. Please check it. Please check it. I'll wait. In the meantime, we'll go for questions now one by one, please.